So in Lahore, whenever it comes to Lahore, Lahore is famous for foods. So what is the food that you most amazingly loved in Pakistan? You would say, I wish I had this in UK, or someone would have made it for me. I would go to a Pakistani restaurant for this food.
Well, we do have restaurants. I don't know if they serve Pakistani food. We have restaurants that might call themselves Pakistani, but I've never tasted anything quite like what I've had here. So there's subtleties to it, which are, of course, delightful. And I think as part of being such a welcoming group of people, the nature is to feed your guests, and they've certainly been doing that. So I've had everything. I must say I'm not usually a sweets type person, but the desserts here are quite overwhelming, though I couldn't pronounce what they are. But
okay,
I can probably describe
okay,
it.
fine. What about the food? We have those biryanis and spicy food, and then the kormas, and then the chickens, and then the with roti and salons.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. There's not a lot of salad, must be said. But,
yes, there's not a lot of salad.
So I'm used to eating a lot of fresh food, but so yes, it is very rich. There's no question about that.
It is very rich in calories and cholesterol. Yes,
and timing.
Our food
it's always late at night as well. So
I actually really like this point that he raised, that the food is less in salad, and yes. In our Pakistan, there's a concept of high teas, and then we have buffets, and in buffets we have a small corner for salads, and then we have a big corner for desserts, and heavy fatty foods, and then very oily foods. So in Pakistan, me and Affan, through social media channels, we've been trying a lot to counsel the patients about how to do mindful and watchful eating, because it is the food that actually defines your health.